first, we're just going to start by drawing the trigonal bipyramidal. You do that by just drawing a line, a V, and then a straight line. This is what the Vesper structure for a trigonal bipyramidal looks like, with all of these being bonds that have some sort of an atom on the end of it. So like this could be a Br, 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 Cl, Cl. I don't think this atom actually exists in real life, but whatever. Okay, so then what you're going to do is when they say it has 4 bonds and 1 lone pair, you're just going to erase this bond. Hold on, let me take that off for a second so I can actually erase it. You're going to erase this. And then there's just a lone pair right there. So what does this look like? What does the lines look like? It looks like a seesaw, right? So that's where this seesaw shape does. And that's 4 bonds, 1 lone pair. All right, so let's do it again. This time what we're going to do is, so we erase this line like we did last time. We're left with the seesaw shape. And we're going to add another lone pair. So we erased either one of those lines sticking out from the big line, and you're left with this shape. Hold on one second, my phone is like not focusing. Okay, there we go. So what does this kind of look like? A T, right? So it's a T shaped, and that's 3 bonds, 2 LPs. And then finally, what you're going to be left with is just, so now we're going to have 3 lone pairs, 2 bonds. And you're left with just a line. Therefore, the shape is called linear. And that's 2 bonds, 3 lone pairs. Okay. So now we're going to do it for an octahedral. Which looks like this.
Oh, don't mind me.
So this is what the octahedral looks like. Now we're going to go and erase one so that we can make a lone pair. So if you erase this, hold on, I can't do it on camera. You get this shape, which looks like, if you draw the lines, a pyramid with a square at its base. So that's a square pyramidal. That's 1 lone pair and 5 bonds. The next one is going to be, so this is the octahedral shape, and now we're going to add 2 lone pairs. So you erase that same line. Okay, I just erased that line, and then I'm going to erase this line. And if you were to look at this flat, so like if this was the plane of the page, it would look like this. It's a square in the plane. Square, planar, 2 lone pairs, 4 bonds. Cool. So then from there, what we're going to do is we're going to keep that square planar shape, and we're going to take another lone pair off. And what does that look like? T-shaped. Sorry, my handwriting's getting bad. So that's a T-shaped molecule. That is 3 lone pairs, 3 bonds. And then finally, we're going to take that T-shape and we're going to erase another line. And what are you left with? A line. So this is linear, 2 bonds, 4 lone pairs.